Hey, ORs, hey, what's going on? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Chrysler Pacificas today. And hey, in the event that your electronic parking brake just randomly disconnected or deactivated, we are going to show you the steps required to reactivate it. And not sure what actually caused it for your exact vehicle or what configured it that way. But again, we're going to show you how to properly reactivate it. Let's get started. Back inside the vehicle, and again, both feet on the ground, not touching the brake pedal or gas pedal. We're going to press the engine start stop push button just once. And you can see the display is powering up, and I'm going to push it a second time. Turn on the ignition system, and I'll accept. And again, park brake retracted. To reset, press brake pedal and activate park brake switch. And again, all I'm going to do, I'm not going to turn the engine on, is press the brake pedal, followed by pushing the parking brake push button, which is right down here, right there. And I can hear the brake park linkage down below reactivating, and I felt the brake pedal shift and move forward. And at this point, as you can see with the screen, park brake reset, brake service exit complete. Okay. We are now outside the vehicle looking at the driver's side rear caliper, rotor, wheel pads, etc. And as we reactivate that parking brake, I wanted to position the camera out here so you can listen to it. Re-engage and activate. As you just saw, we tested the brakes inside the driveway. All went well. I recommend testing the brakes inside the driveway before you actually take the vehicle on the road. In addition, down below in the comments and description, several helpful video links on this exact Pacifica. Many helpful video links. Definitely check those out. And that's it. From here, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.